With 25 years of experience in maritime transport, we are the leading shipping group in Spain. We link lands and are committed to local development. Innovation is the key to our identity and leadership. Our business focuses on the transport of passengers, vehicles and goods. We offer our customers, both tourists and locals, a journey that is transformed into an experience through excellence, comfort and punctuality. When transporting goods, we adapt our timetables to optimize the supply chain and achieve integrated logistics. We consider maritime transport vital for the growth and development of societies. We have a large fleet of ferries and fast ferries that we combine according to the needs of the routes, so that we can offer a reliable service and ensure connectivity. We continuously maintain our fleet. We are constantly investing in the improvement of our ships, implementing comprehensive refits to offer the best experience to our passengers, both in terms of sailing and services. We offer our customers the most innovative technologies. Our digital channels allow passengers to self-manage bookings, offer a personalized service, and enable quick and easy access to the ship. From our beginnings, we have been committed to sustainability and cleaner energy. We have made significant investments to achieve a more eco-efficient fleet. Over the last 20 years, we have successfully expanded our business model. We operate international routes in both the Mediterranean and the Caribbean. We guarantee high-quality standards by developing teams that combine the company's experience with local staff. We promote training and professional development to boost the local economy. We seek synergies with partners to expand our range of services for our customers. We are equipped to guarantee an excellent, innovative service.